And there is Aubrey doing the hula hoop. How long have you been doing that, Aubrey?
Ever since 7:33 p.m.
7:33 p.m. How long did you do it?
Oh no! 18 minutes.
18 minutes? Oh my gosh, so who's in the lead right now?
It's either her or me.
Oh wow.
Caleb could be in the lead.
That's really good. So Michaela, how you like that cake for Uncle Andy's birthday?
It's the best.
It's the
I
best.
never knew there was actually an edible sticker.
Yeah. That was really
Oh
good.
my gosh, there's a candle stuck to the bottom of my cake.
Uh-huh.
Literally, a candle. She got a candle stuck to the bottom.
It must be cake eating time.
Hey, this is my second piece.
Mom's having a piece of cake, Jean's eating cake, Bob got a new piece of cake.
I think Andy started it.
No, John did. I did, I thought.
No, Michaela did.
I got done first.
Oh, there's Hannah
Your stomach
with the little Sophie.
When you were doing it 15 minutes, did it hurt? Nothing ever hurts me.
That's it. I don't sit around thinking, have another piece of that cherry thing.
What if someone shoots you? It hurts.
And you're still going
What if
strong.
we shot you with the shot? It really hurts. But it really hurts. What about when
Everybody says, well, I better
you went to the shopping that time? Cut your arm off. Yeah. That was hurt.
No, I did this on my trip. Did you want something?
So did the birthday boy get some more?
Yeah?
You know who?
Hmm.
Not even who. Yeah. If I take it and I bring it under my pencil crack open. When it's metal, yeah, that would hurt. Metal, yeah. That would definitely hurt. Oh, I can't move. I can't do it. Ow, ow.
I read the
No
inside
one
of
would
this
do
one.
it like that. What
Oh
time?
yeah, toxic.
7:30.
Are you falling asleep again? Ryan.
Sam, you want to try it out?
Why does it smell hot?
I don't know. I was wondering that.
I mean, like electrical hot.
Yeah, I smell it too now that you mention it.
I think it's smoke from the fire.
No, that's an extension cord is pulled
Well,
back.
the fire is sort of going, and I see the smoke.
But something smells hot. Yep.
Fire's smoldering out there.
Oh no, electrical hot. It smells like a, like something hot, like a heating element.